So this boy is odd Todd and this boy is even Steven. He's odd Todd and he's even Steven. And you know, what do you know? So this boy is always sad. You know why? And he's always angry because he doesn't like to share his things. And even Steven always seems to be happy. And you know why he seems to be happy? Because he likes to share his things with his friends and with everyone around. So now similarly, we are going to see the same topic, odd and even numbers, and we are going to check, we are going to make friends here and we are going to check if those numbers are like odd Todd or those numbers are like even Steven. Okay, so come on, let's check it out. Okay, so now let's write number 1. Okay, so now we need to check if number 1 is odd or even. So we don't know, so let's check. So now can you see that there are 5 paper cups I have kept here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now what I am going to do is I am going to take one popsicle stick and I am going to put it inside the first paper cup. So now my question to you all is, does this popsicle stick have any friend? No, it doesn't have a friend. So what do you think? It is like odd Todd? Is it an odd number? Yes, so it is an odd number. So I am going to write odd number. So number 1 is odd because it doesn't have a friend. So remember, I am going to put only 2 popsicle sticks in each and every cup. Alright. So now let's take number 2. So again I am going to put everything outside and now let's fill it up. So now take 1 popsicle stick and I am going to put 1 and 2. So do you think now they have pairs? They have friends? They are friends? Is anyone left out here? No. So what do you think? Is number 2 an odd number or even number? Yes, it's an even number. Why? Because it has its friend. It has its friend. See, this popsicle stick has a friend. So they are not left alone. They are not sitting alone like odd Todd. They like to share and they like to be friends. So now number 2 is even number. So now let's check the next number, which is number 3. Okay, so I am going to take out these popsicle sticks. I am going to put it outside and now let's check if number 3 is odd or even. So again we are going to count and put those many sticks inside the paper cups. Okay, so let's count it together. 1, 2 and 3. So what do you think? They are friends. But what about this popsicle stick? It doesn't have a friend. So what do you think? Is 3 an odd or even number? Yes, it's an odd number. Why? Because it doesn't have a friend. So can you see? These two are friends, but this popsicle stick doesn't have a friend. It is like odd Todd, doesn't like to share. So that's why it is standing alone inside this paper cup. So 3 is an odd number. So now let's take one more example, which is number 4. Okay, so now I'm going to take out all these popsicle sticks and I'm going to put it outside. Now let's count together and again put those popsicle sticks inside. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what do you think? These popsicle sticks are also friends? They are also friends. Now what do you think? Is 4 an odd number or even number? Yes, they are even number. Why? Because no popsicle stick is left alone without a friend. Okay, so 4 is an even number. Now let's take one more example. Now which number we are going to check? We are going to check number 5. I'm going to write 5 here. Okay, so now let's put the popsicle stick again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what do you think? Is this 5 an odd number or even number? Yes, you guessed it right. It's an odd number. Why? Because this popsicle stick doesn't have a friend. Both these paper cups, the popsicle sticks, they are friends here. But this popsicle stick is standing alone without a friend. So, number 5 is an odd number. Okay, so now let's check the next example. And it is number 6. So now you are all going to count along with me and tell me whether it is an odd number or even number. Okay, shall we do it together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So do you think every popsicle stick has a friend? Is any popsicle stick left alone without a friend? No. Everybody are friends here. So there is no popsicle stick standing here without a friend. So what do you think? Is 6 an even number or odd number? Yes, it's an even number. So I'm going to write the word even. Very good. So now let's take the next number, which is number 7. Okay, so now let's start counting. We'll do it quickly now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now what do you think? I have filled in 7 popsicle sticks. So do you think that 7 is an odd number or even number? Yes, it's an odd number. But why it's an odd number? This popsicle stick is standing without a friend. But all these popsicle sticks have friends. So that is why it's an odd number. So I'm going to write odd here. Now let's take the next example, which is number 8. Okay, so now let's count and put those many popsicle sticks inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So now do you think 8 is an even number or odd number? Yes, 8 is an even number. Why? Because everybody is friend. So this popsicle stick has a friend here. This popsicle stick has a friend here. This popsicle stick has a friend here. And this popsicle stick also has a friend here. Nobody is left alone without a friend. So this is an even number. 8 is an even number. So now let's look into number 9. So I'm going to take out all these popsicle sticks. I'm going to keep it outside. And now again let's count it and then put it inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. What do you think? Is it an odd number or even number? Yes, 9 is an odd number. Why? Because this popsicle stick is standing alone without a friend. Okay, so 9 is an odd number. So remember, every cup, I am filling every cup with two popsicle sticks. Okay, and in every cup there are 2 popsicle sticks. Even if in one paper cup there is only 1 popsicle stick left, so that number will turn out to be an odd number. Okay, now let's Look into the last number, which is number 10. So I'm going to take out all these popsicle sticks outside and let's count it together and let's find out whether if 10 is odd or even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so what do you think? Is 10 an even number or odd number? Yes, it's an even number. Very good. Because everybody has a partner here. Everybody has a friend here. A red popsicle stick has a friend. Here also red popsicle stick has a friend. Here also red popsicle stick has a green friend. Red friend, green friend, red friend, green friend. So everybody have a partner here. So that is why 10 is an even number. So I hope you understood this concept of odd and even. Keep practicing at home and I'm sure that you will be able to do it much better. But before this, I would also like to tell you how we can try to make friends by drawing circles. How we can make pairs by drawing circles. So now imagine that we don't know whether if it's an odd number or an even number. So let's try to find out. So I'm going to draw some random circles. We are going to pair it up and then check if that is an odd number or even number. Okay? So I'm going to draw some random circles on the board. Okay? Okay? So I don't know how many circles I have drawn, but let's see if we can make friends here. So how are we going to make friends? We are going to draw a line between two circles. We are going to partner only two circles here. Okay? So this circle and this circle is going to be a friend. Now similarly, this circle and this circle is going to be a friend. This circle and this circle is going to be a friend. This circle and this circle is going to be a friend. This circle and this circle, they are friends. This circle and this circle, they are friends. And this circle and this circle, they are friends. Oh, now what happened? There is one circle that is left out without a friend. Okay, so definitely this is going to be odd number. But let's count how many circles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So number 15 is an odd number. Why? Because can we see a circle left out without a partner here? That is why number 15 is odd number. So now let's take one more example and this is how we connect two circles. Okay? Now let's look into one more example. So I'm going to connect these two circles. I'm going to connect these two circles, connect these two circles, connect these two circles, then connect these two circles, connect these two circles and connect these two circles. Now what do you think? All the circles, they have their partner. This circle has a partner, this circle has a partner. Similarly, all these circles, they have their respective partners. So now do you think that it could be odd number or even number? Definitely it's going to be even number. So now let's count how many circles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what do you think? 14 is an odd number or even number? 14 is an even number. Why? Because all the circles, they are connected. They have their friends. They have their partner. So that is why no circle is left alone without a friend. So number 14 is an even number. So keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.